I had this coughing fit for like 20 minutes. Good morning. Well, it's not morning anymore. What time is it? It is 12:54, Sunday, April 19th. I had an okay day yesterday. I was busy doing bits and pieces of little bits of stuff that I needed to do. I got quite a few of my recipes done. I'm a little stuffy this morning, but what can you do? Today I ordered myself some Red Lobster. I was just not in the mood to cook. I have things to cook. I'm just not in the mood to cook. And I really just felt like Red Lobster. So I ordered some shrimp. So it should be coming soon. It'll be enough for like maybe 3 meals. I obviously have a neighbor from hell because at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, they decided that their TV blasting was more important than my sleep. So I got up and I blasted some real ratchet music while I was cleaning up my living room. And I finished cleaning my living room at about maybe 4? No. Living room and kitchen. So maybe about like 3 o'clock. No, they started their stuff at 2. I got up at 2:30. So between 3 and 4 is when I was blasting my music. Yeah. And cleaning up my kitchen and doing all the stuff that I should be doing now during the day, since I'm supposed to be sleeping at night. Like, I don't understand people who aren't considerate of others. I've been here for like 15 years. My previous neighbor had a dog. Okay? Occasionally the dog would bark. It's a dog. But like, at 3 or 4 in the morning, you're blasting your TV like you're the only person that lives here? No, that's not acceptable at all. I even washed last night. That's to show you how irritated I was. So, I'm gonna wait for my food to come eat and then just continue with what I'm doing. I'm a little tired today. I'm a little stuffy and I woke up with my chest hurting. So I'm just gonna whatever right now. I'm in my basement. I have this to clean, but I'm not touching this today. And I ordered 2 things and they both got canceled. My hair products got canceled and my second batch of ink got canceled. So hopefully my laptop comes. If not, I'm gonna be really, really irritated. Anyways, y'all, later. I am eating my food. My face just looks so weird. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm trying to get my crave to work on my Fire Stick and it's not working, so I'm gonna have to figure that out on a later date. But I'm just gonna eat some. I got shrimp and green beans. That's pretty much all I got. So I'm just gonna eat this while I'm downstairs and then head upstairs. Like, look at this. Just, oh my god. Hello. So after I ate, I had this coughing fit for like 20 minutes. My heat was low and it wasn't cold enough for it to come on, but then I was beginning to feel cold. I don't know if that's related to the coughing, but not cool. So not cool. So I just turned the heat up just to warm up the place because I don't know what's happening. I already woke up with my chest feeling heavy, but like, I can't. I really can't. Anyways, I am still working on my recipes. I've done quite a bit. I still have to get through quite a bit. So I think I'm just gonna do that today. Stay stationary, do that, drink some water, mind my business type deal. Anyways. I think that's it. There's nothing much. There's so many other things that I need to get done. And the thing is, it's hard for me to record because once I start, it's like I gotta keep going. And then I'm like, ooh, let me record this. It's not organic, you know what I mean? I don't have cameras like stuck in my room to record. So that's why. But anyways, what time is it? It's 2:30. I'm gonna work on this thing for maybe 2 hours. So about 4:30, I'll see where I'm at. And we'll move on to the next task of the day. As I sit here with my window open, not the window, but the curtains open, I'm like, where did the sun go? Sun's not trying to let me live. Like, I'll show y'all. This is what we have going on. Like, it's super dark, but I'm working on some stuff. Hello. What time is it? It is 10 o'clock now. What did I do today? I didn't do much. I ordered food. I ate. I've been doing my recipes. I've been researching some things, signing up for some things, ordering things that I need. I've been pretty much getting my shit together, like organizing myself. I've been coughing up my insides all day. I just had another coughing fit. It was ridiculous. I rubbed myself down just now. I'm gonna take my Buckley's. Tastes nasty. And hopefully tomorrow is a better day. But I think that's it. I didn't do anything worthy of recording. I've been getting my shit together. That's really what I've been doing. Like, I had an emotional breakdown today. Because I need to get my shit together. And sometimes we have to have hard conversations with people we care about and with ourselves to get our shit together. So I've added things to my board. I've taken things off. I've been getting my shit together. Anyways, tomorrow is Monday. Right now, presently at 10 p.m., I don't have a solid plan for tomorrow, but I will, because I need to fill my prescription, because I couldn't get it online. I was trying to get it online, but I couldn't, so I have to get someone to get it for me. That's number one. And number two, I am going to sign up for 2 more courses. I'm looking at my board because it tells me I have to sign up for 2 more courses. And yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to sign up for 2 courses. I'm probably not going to do them. One is going to be, I think, either next week or the week after. And then the other is between 8 to 12 hours. I'm still researching that because based on my identification card, I have the basic one, but what they're showing me online is basic advance. It's basic and then advance, but I think I'm going to do the advance. Whatever. Anyways, my plan is to get more shit done and get my shit together. So I started, and I'm going to keep going until my shit's together, because I find that I'm not really organized and I have to get organized. And by getting organized, not pretending that I'm doing shit, but like actually cleaning shit out, moving things around, and putting things where they belong in the right places so that they're easy access, so that I can know what I'm doing when I'm doing. I'm looking at this wall because I'm going to put something on this wall. So I think tomorrow I'm going to work on that too. I'm just going to be doing stuff. And what we record is what we record. Yeah. This is now going into week number 4 that I've been in the house. Been sick. So let's see how much we can get done. Stay home, stay safe. Later days.